I'm standing on the Oosterscheldekering, the largest part of the Dutch Delta works. It is a mega structure, an enormous dam 9 kilometres long with 4 kilometres of sluice gates that can be closed to hold back extreme high tides and stop the Netherlands flooding. It took a decade to build, and it is a rallying cry of human planning, survival and achievement. And it is not what I'm here to talk about. 3 days ago, a forecast came in. A storm is going to hit. Winds will gust up to 120 kilometres an hour on this barrier. And so a different rallying cry went up. 3 words: We krijgen storm. A storm is coming. Because today is NK Tegenwindfietsen, the Dutch headwind cycling championships. Several hundred Dutch people looked at this weather and said, we're going to have a bike race in that.
The course is 8.5 brutal kilometers. It's a serious event with permissions and everything. We have a limit of 300 participants. All the bikes are the same. No gears and just an ordinary brake, and it's a typical Dutch bike.
Have you done it?
Yes, 2 times.
How difficult is it?
Very. I do triathlon in my spare time, and it's just as hard.
At high speed, up to 90% of the drag on a cyclist is from air resistance. And I naively assumed, because it's been 15 years since I studied high school physics, that it'd be an equal action-reaction thing, double the wind speed, double the drag. But that's only true when there's no turbulence. In a situation like this, the drag increases with the square of wind speed. Double the wind speed, quadruple the drag force. The difference between cycling in a 15 km/h headwind and 120 km/h gust is 64 times the added drag. Why are you doing this?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Do you regularly do bike races and things like this?
No, just bike for fun.
How do you think it's going to be?
Hot, very hot.
Success!
Thank you.
And sure, it's a good, weird human interest story, right? People are doing a deliberately difficult thing and hurting themselves just enough that it's interesting. But this is a good place for it, because not only are humans literally pushing against the storm and saying, we can beat you, they're on a physical monument to doing just that. There's a big rock in the middle of the barrier with an inscription that translates as, here the tide is ruled by the wind, the moon and us.